Mars 1.
What if the greatest space achievement in history was buried in Soviet archives for over 60 years? While everyone celebrates Neil Armstrong's moon landing, there's a Mars mission that honestly makes Apollo look like a practice run. November 1st, 1962, Mars 1 blasted off from Baikonur Cosmodrome carrying technology so revolutionary that, modern engineers still study its blueprints today. This wasn't just some desperate attempt to beat America. This was a calculated strike at the Red Planet using instruments that were literally decades ahead of anything NASA had on their drawing boards. The Soviet Union had secretly developed ion propulsion systems, advanced spectrometers, and autonomous navigation computers that wouldn't appear in Western spacecraft until the 1990s. Mars 1 was basically a 1960s spacecraft with 21st-century brains. For 106 days it transmitted data that completely rewrote our understanding of interplanetary space. The radiation measurements, solar wind analysis, and magnetic field readings were so precise that, honestly, NASA still uses this data today for mission planning. But here's the bombshell: contact wasn't actually lost due to equipment failure. Declassified KGB documents from 2019 reveal that Mars 1 kept transmitting for 3 additional weeks after the official communication blackout. The final transmissions contained gravitational anomaly data suggesting something massive was influencing the spacecraft's trajectory near Mars. Soviet scientists knew they had detected evidence of subsurface structures on Mars, but the Cold War meant this discovery vanished into classified files. Mars 1 died just 7 million kilometers from Mars, taking humanity's first glimpse of Martian secrets to its grave.